Mantra yoga is exact science, a very profound science. Sometimes I feel more than science. The so-called mantra, the word mantra, why it is mantra? Because it is an achievement, the process is through the mind process. Manana trayate itihi mantraha. The root man in the beginning letter, the first syllable, is to think. Manana, to think. Trai means to protect, which releases you from the bondage. It frees you from the bondage. Manana trayate itihi mantraha. Mantra, it generates the creative energy in us. You should remember this. It generates the creative energy and it awakens our consciousness. It bestows eternal bliss and eternal peace. If you dedicate yourself to the mantras, you get that peace and bliss. Because mantra is a mystical energy which is encased in a sound structure. It's an energy. It's encased in a sound structure. It contains within its vibration it has certain power in that vibration of the mantra. Each mantra is constructed from the combination of the 72 letters of the Sanskrit alphabet. It is derived from the letters of 52 letters, ka, cha, ta, ta, pa and katu, aha, swara, atva, swara, vyanjana and yoga vahaka. It is a combination. Ancient yogis, ancient rishis, they were attuned with the higher level of consciousness. They were aware that inherent power in the sound, inherent power. These are the Bija mantras. The Bija mantras, they have no meaning, not exact meaning, but it has tremendous energy. It acts on the nadis. That is, the nadis means it is the nerve tubes. It acts on the nadis. When you recite that mentally, those mantras, the Bija mantras, or they are called Nirguna mantras. All these mantras, it is like, it acts like a subtle massage on the nerves. And also it releases the blockage and it allows Kundalini Shakti to flow freely in your body. This Nirguna mantras, it sets up a vibration in the body. In all the levels, mantra will work if you dedicate. It is not a magic. If you dedicate, give your time and space for it, it will really function. It seizes your mind. That means thinking and counter-thinking stops. And also, that is the problem always. Mind thinks means it rethinks, it stops. That ceases thinking and counter-thinking process. As a result, your intelligence level, intellectual level, it stops that discrimination power. Always conflicts, discrimination, all that mantra stops the discrimination power in the intellectual level. In the ego level, ego loses power. That means powerless. Ego becomes powerless. In conscious level, with all awareness, we'll see that all our memories, just it fades away. It won't bother us in the conscious level. And these are the mantras which penetrate. It goes deep. It enters into the deeper dimension of your dynamic consciousness, areas of dynamic consciousness. In the potential level, it explodes energy. That is the biggest, it's very deep theory. You have to go into it practically, then you will understand this. It explodes energy, it feels bliss in samadhi. In the fourth level of consciousness, it feels the bliss in samadhi. Mantra is a sound energy. That means it has the sound waves. Mantra is a sound wave. The waves create a pattern. When you chant mantra, the waves create a pattern because each sound has a form. It takes a form that becomes yantra. Yantra is the form of the mantra. It's an unseen, but you can feel that becomes your inner body. It creates your inner body. The mantra sharira. It's a real Shri Raksha. It is a protection. The whole aspect is, the basic thing is, the mantra is sound and form. It creates that pattern that is called the yantra. And the mantras are very, very powerful. Very powerful. And the mantras influence the brain and the cosmos, inside and outside. It's a very powerful, when you chant mantra, when you contemplate mantra, the man is manana. Manana trayate itihi. Manana is contemplation. Manana is repetition, or just not repeating like a parrot. It is just feeling the sound and form, that which takes you to a different realm of life. This Bijakshara mantras are initiated in a right ambience, in a right time. After 48 days of Mauna Vrata, I am initiating the Bija mantras